So you want to actually see the widget you just created. That's what add to viewport does. And to just get this node, take execution pin from the return value of create widget and type add to viewport, and it will give us this node. Now creating a widget is like forging a blade, but add to viewport is like drawing it from the sheet. Without this step, the UI exists but it stays invisible. Now we have this node here, and I will get the UI. Okay, where it is, let's go to content browser and open up our UI like this. From in previous video, we already added a canvas panel and a text box. In this video, I'm gonna replace the text box text from test. You can type in whatever you like, and we will bring the anchor in the middle like this. Yeah, and we will put the position at 000, and I will take the alignment 0.5. You can test it, experiment it with however you like, and let's just compile it. And when we now press even begin play, it will show up this text to us just like this, and we will put a delay so we can see it happening in the real time. Now it is used for HUDs, which is always on, menus when triggered, or dialog pop-ups. Add to view, it is a difference between your code saying hey it's there and the player actually seeing it. So it's very useful node. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.